Welcome to my channel, my name is ZeroBoy, and today I'm gonna show you how to do this and this and this, or whatever you want, and let's do it. Let's jump right into it. Here we have a project and leave it black. We don't want to do anything, okay? First things first, let's go to the text section and I'm gonna look for basic, because I'm a very basic guy, you know. Press Q to drag here, but I want to work just with the text, so I'm gonna drag to the side, delete this one, and then here it's where the magic is gonna happen. Select this, the text that you want to do. I already have a preset here. You know, if you want to know how to do that, I can do that for you too. So you do whatever you want, whatever, and then put the text, you put the size, you put the color, you put whatever you want. You're gonna go here, save all, format in appearance attributes. You press this, it's gonna pop this, you're gonna save as a preset, and it's gonna be here for you. So you're welcome. Leave it a like for this one. Ha, fuego. We're gonna go here, my info bold, because that's my template that I like it a lot, and here's gonna be subscribe. Perfecto. And I want to be here on the side of the screen, or if you want to put in the center, you can do that too. Size, let's put 100. That's a cool size. Here, subscribe. And then when you have the text ready, we gonna try to create the transition as well. So you just need to drag and drop when you have the video. It's gonna save you a lot of time. 1, 2, 3 keyframes. I'm gonna just cut 1, 2, 3 keyframes. I'm gonna cut Command B. My first one, I'm just gonna do whatever, W 2 3 H G cling. That's cool. I like that. I'm just gonna make a little magic here. We're gonna bring it down the opacity. Boom. So the first one is gonna be like this, and I'm gonna change the size. This one's gonna be smaller. The second one is gonna be subscribe, but it's gonna be a little bit bigger, and it's gonna be a little bit to the side because I don't wanna cut there. Opacity is gonna be lower as well. See what are we doing here? Boom, boom. We are creating the animation, and if you press, that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna duplicate that holding Option, drag to the side, so it's gonna be this. But now I'm gonna make this one a little bit bigger. Boom. Let's see how this looks like. Nice. I like that a lot. And then here, boom, we want to add a little movement. So we're gonna select this, hold here, add a keyframe, and we're gonna say from here we're gonna move. So press. Here we're gonna stop the movement, which is gonna be this. And bring a little bit up, see a little movement, and pause right there. To exit, it's gonna be the same thing, but opposite. We're gonna leave, let's say, 5 seconds. 5. To delete that part, I did a command special shortcut that I'm gonna leave down below, so you can learn how to do that, or you can just delete. We're gonna do this, drag, and drag, but it's not very special. You know why? Because there is no sound. We're gonna go here, sound effects, and I have my special on Little Boy library here. Wow, I can show you how to do that too. Leave a fuego down below. Here I have a little glitch that I always use for my transitions. So I'm gonna press I to do the beginning and O to do the outro, the end. Select the area that I want and press Q. So that's gonna create a little sound. Now with the sound, I'm gonna do less is more, because I want to just be on this moment here. 1, 2, 3. And just a little something. If you press T, you can change the time, and then the end, hold Option, drag this to the side, and frame, drag. Now I'm gonna change the sound just to not, this is not the same, you know what I mean? Come on, that's it. Double click again. I'm just gonna do an Option W to get a little bit more time here. Let's see. Woo! So that's subscribed right there, and you just gotta repeat the same thing. We can do the same thing, just do like. That's it. But now what you need to do is press R, because you're gonna save them individually. You're gonna select the part that you want to renderize and make sure that there is nothing on the timeline, remember, because it's gonna be transparent. Sounds here, everything's included. I'm gonna press Command E. We're gonna export. In the settings, we're gonna go to video and audio, because we record video and audio and we need video and audio for our transition. And we're gonna go to Apple ProRes 4444. So leave a like if you learned something today. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this tutorial, and if you have any question, just send to me and we will try to figure it out. Thank you very much, guys. Leave it a fuego down below if you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.